Here on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we are putting in a bounce on the daily, but very lackluster and weak. We have 12 more hours left in this bounce, and what we're trying to do is at least get to 67,500 to try to get above that so we can claim and look for 68.5. If we don't get above the 67 today, a rollover is possible into that 62.6 area by the end of the week. So just be aware of that possibility occurring. It's negated with open and closes above 67.5 on the 4 hour. Going to a 4 hour time frame, you can see we've been grinding this support very steadily, and now it looks like we're trying to go test it up into our resistance from where we broke down, such as 67,000 and then 67.5. Level by level, guys. If you get above 67, then look for 67.5. If you get above 65, then look for 68. But unless, if we, on the opposite end, if you lose 66,000 on a 4 hour open and close, be ready for 65,600, and then possibly a bigger drop to 60K, since we've basically used up all the liquidity at these levels. So first we can go up, tap resistance, and then roll over, or we could just roll on over, find support, and then get back up there. So which way will we go? Time will tell. Be cautious and aware. Let's go now to ETH. And ETH is weaker than Bitcoin, already testing into the 55 EMA, and it's actually getting some love up there. If today we can close above 3380, we can look for the next level of resistance here at 3460 and beyond. But if we can't get above this level, then it will be an opportunity to take a short and look for that rollover back into the 3300 and then potentially lower at 3000. So just be cautious that right now the bounces are there, but they're kind of lackluster. The volume isn't as good as we would like to see it, and it's actually slowing down into New York Open. So we would hope that during New York Open we have an opportunity to at least get into like 3450, 3450, 3460. And then if we want to roll over. But if we can't even get above the 3370, then that's enough resistance for the 4 hour to open and the next 4 hour to actually start flushing to the downside and taking Bitcoin down with it. So just be aware that we're kind of in a limbo area. The only way of knowing where we're going to go from here is either volume buying up and taking us above our resistance, or we're going to lose support and then look for the next support. And right now you can see this lackluster volume is setting up bearish divergence over here. So I don't want you to get your hopes up high for too much higher, but at least going sideways to reset oscillators is just as good, okay? So be aware of all of that. And then quickly, let's just take a quick peek at Dixie. And Dixie is actually getting a nice push back down. So we should have opportunity to put in a bounce to the upside, unless Dixie already bounced and now it's gunning back to 104. But this dollar that we shaved off in such a quick fashion gives us breathing room to the upside on Bitcoin and ETH if Dixie continues this downwards push. If Dixie gets a bounce over here on 104 and then gets back over here to 104.40, then you'll know why we are getting the push back down. It's because Dixie has found support and it's looking for continuation in this inverse head and shoulder fashion, okay? Right here is the shoulder. So finding some resistance here, some support here on the shoulder makes sense before continuation back up. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. If you're interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for your time and support. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.